Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this really cool workout bench. I mean, this dude is a beast. Actually supports up to 750 pounds and it came pretty well pre-assembled. You had to put together a few things like this foot position holder along with the pads and a few of these little pins to put in to mark the adjustments, but it went together really easily in about 5 minutes. In order to adjust these, you just simply can pull out on a pin. You can adjust this one to 3 different settings depending on how high you want to be able to lock your ankles in if you're going to use that piece, or you can drop it all the way down. You've got some adjustments here on your seat, a few different adjustments there as well, and then 9 different adjustments on the back. And this thing is back on this is really nice because you can adjust it however you need to. Lay it all the way back if you want to do that. To make it more flat, we can go ahead and adjust the seat, pull that piece out and adjust the seat down. Again, these are not difficult adjustments to make, and with these pins, makes that extremely easy, and it has this neck piece that has additional adjustments on that as well. Now I wanted to kind of show you the size reference here. I'll go ahead and grab a couple of weights here. You've got this head support, which I haven't seen in a lot of these weight benches, and that's really nice for head and neck support. But to give you a reference, I'm about 6'2", easily fit on this, and the head adjustment and the rest of this can be adjusted further. That way, if you're out lifting weights, maybe using your arms, doing some flies, doing some bench presses on this, it's not moving around. It's extremely stable as far as me sitting on this, because again, holds 750 pounds. But it also can collapse up and fold up by pulling this middle pin so that it can fold completely up so that you can put it in a closet. So that's really nice as well. You've got really good padding on this, really strong, easily going to be able to wipe up any water on this as far as that's concerned, but a really durable material. Even on the headrest here, it's a nice caved in little concave headrest piece. So this is going to provide a lot of versatility. The fact that it's got these rubberized feet on this also allow it not to slide on harder surfaces, so that's good if you're doing that as well. So a lot of neat workouts you can do on this guy, even if you're going to be getting over here putting your knee directly on the middle of this thing. It's not going anywhere, so if you're doing some of these bent over rows, working some lats, you can easily do that. Know that that's not going to go anywhere. It's a really nice workout bench, pretty much for anyone's home.